everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to reply to specific messages on WhatsApp. So if you also want to reply to specific messages on WhatsApp, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sometimes you might receive multiple messages from same person on WhatsApp. You might want to reply to the messages individually. So in that case, what you can do is reply to specific messages. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon WhatsApp application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. You'll be able to find all of your chats over here. Simply tap on the chat of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. You can see over here this person has sent me multiple messages. You might also receive multiple messages sometimes. So if you want to reply to specific message, what you have to do is long press on the message that you want to reply to. Now at top, you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for reply, favorite, delete, forward and 3 dots. If you want to reply, what you have to do is tap on the first icon that you can see. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to reply to that specific message. Now simply type in your message. After that, hit the send button. Now you can see over here, you just reply to that specific message. So that is how you reply to specific messages on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.